Andy Akers, owner and operator of Akers Outdoor Plumbing.
And I'm Ryan, and today we're going to talk about some of the most frequently asked questions we get about trenchless underground technology. So Andy, I get asked all the time, why do I need a professional to tackle a project like this?
Ryan, that's a great question. You know, our guys are highly trained, skilled professionals. We're licensed, bonded, insured. They know how to dig, Ryan. They've been doing it for so many years. All of our guys, they know what to look for. Yeah, that's the thing. Even though the gas is marked right here, it's how deep it is, and when you're shoveling down there, you don't want to hit it. And we have to expose them all the time, Ryan.
Yeah, it's just crazy. A homeowner goes out, starts digging up their own leak, their own problem. They run into the cables. All of a sudden, they cut their cable, cut their telephone.
Or the gas.
The gas. Get a little deeper, they find the power. And sometimes these utilities aren't even deep at all. You'd think, oh, they're going to be deeper than 2 feet. But we find it all the time where they're just below surface level.
And also, Ryan, when they go to Home Depot or the local hardware store, these products that they buy are not meant for in-ground.
What we oftentimes find is when a homeowner attempts to repair the line themselves, they get past the utilities, they get down to the water line, and then they go to cut into the pipe and realize, oh man, I'm in over my head.
Yeah, I find that so often. And then, Ryan, it's in an inopportune time, right over a weekend, maybe a holiday. Now it becomes an emergency service, Ryan, to get their water restored. Take it from the pros, leave it, let us do the work.